Orion spacecraft features.
The Orion spacecraft is the heart of Artemis II, designed to keep astronauts safe and comfortable as they journey farther than humans have ever gone before. This spacecraft isn't just a capsule, it's a marvel of engineering packed with advanced life support systems, navigation tools, and safety features. Orion's sleek design includes a crew module where astronauts live and work, protected by a heat shield that will endure the intense heat of re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. Inside, the crew will have everything they need, from oxygen and temperature control to communication systems that keep them connected to mission control millions of miles away. One of the most impressive aspects of Orion is its ability to support deep space missions, with systems built to handle the challenges of radiation, microgravity, and the psychological effects of isolation. The spacecraft also features a service module, which provides propulsion, power, and thermal control, ensuring the crew can maneuver around the moon and return safely. Every detail of Orion has been tested rigorously, with Artemis II serving as the first real-world test with humans on board. This mission will prove that Orion can handle the demands of lunar orbit, paving the way for future missions to land astronauts on the moon and eventually Mars. Orion represents a leap forward in space travel technology, combining safety, reliability, and innovation to make deep space exploration possible. As Artemis II prepares for launch, Orion stands ready to carry humanity's explorers on a journey that could redefine our place in the cosmos.